Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is phase 2 of the project. We developed this, which was phase 1, and we programmed the instruction and we programmed the team. Then we are going to look at the file here, which contains three entries: new, open, and manipulate. So we'll look at each one of these. We need to develop a new form for this new and manipulate need a form. That form we are going to call it here file manipulation. File manipulation is here. You open it. This is the one. How we develop this? It is simple form that would be wide enough to handle the information here. And here I added something called data grid view. So if I am going to create a new form, just to show you how it is done, I go to here and create a new form, and this form I'm going to call it temporary because I just want to show you. So I'll delete it later. I'll give it temporary. Then or let me say form 10. Let's go to that. FRM. And then we have form here. This is the form. You can make it bigger. You may center it. You know how to center it. And we change this to template form. And we go to find here data grid view. You can search from here. Data grid view. This one. Then just drag it here on almost all the screen here. Then that's the data grid. It will open to you this one. Close it. See how to do. So either you go through here this little arrow, or you go here to, when you select it, you go here to column shape, and you click here on that one, which gives you the same thing as here. Either this way or that way. Click here and you go to edit column. You get the same thing here. So there are no columns at the moment. So I want to create columns here for the pieces I'm going to put up, 4 pieces or 5. Go to add, then give it a name. It's called at the moment column. Give it a name. This name should be declared as a name. In most cases, nothing identifier. So let me call it restaurant first. And I want to appear in the column at the top. I want to appear as name. Then click that, click that, add it here, and you do more. It's another one I want to do. Please give me first. Image, image, and here I go to image, and then add another one, cousin is the type of person. Then restaurant description. Description. And the last one here, map. And close. And then finish. OK. As you see, this is occupying this, but not occupy all that place. How can I make it occupy all that? When I select it, go here to auto size or auto something. Auto to resize column. Auto to resize column. Auto size column mode. And here you select full and see what happens when I select full. This pulling up. All that pulling up. So that's the piece of creating this one. We created this many plates. Then again that created already here. So we created that one. Then we are going to use this for the input, new, and for manipulate. And we have another one which is save here, because in the new or in the manipulate, I want to put information here and then save it. Okay, this is the first part of it. And the second part of it here, in the same way in phase 2, then let me go to the original here. And go to the new. From the new, double click to take me into here, which is what happened here in the new. Open the dialog. Yeah. So the form will open the dialog to me. Okay, that's what. So simple, you know that form, manipulate, form, and then open that. So this will open the dialog to me. If I run it now and click on the new, it will open the dialog to me. Then the dialog is already I set it up with the columns and everything, and so we don't need much here. Simple here. This is the form. Click on the new. This will get you this one. Okay. So we need to put data here. At the moment I'm going to put any data. Later you will see what the data here should be. Okay, anything here. I can add another one. Another one, any data at the moment. After you finish this, I want to save it. That's the save is it needs we look at it to see how the save is done. Save, that will save it to say where you want to save it. Where you want to save it. So it's important then to save it in that way, to have a dialog for saving. So if I want to save it in data, for instance, here, or you type in a new name here and find where the location you want to save it. Save. It is exist, save, exist. Okay, that should be saved. Now let us go to, I can go to see the save, how to save. Stop it, and the save button, as you see, let's go to the manipulate. This manipulate has, you know that when we said save, it asks me to enter the name of the file. So we need to have save file dialog. Just drag it and drop it here. It comes here. So this exists here. Save. You can find it. Save. Save dialog. Save file. This must be here. It's called save dialog 1, the object of it. Then let us look to see what is the code here inside the save. In the save here, this will take that, the save file dialog, that's the one we created now, dot show dialog, it will show it to me. Then you select whatever file you select, say OK. And now it is it's recorded in the save file dialog 1 dot file name. This is the file you select. And I want you to understand this, of course. I'm not going to explain to you. Go to wherever you go. Go to ChatGPT or something, ask to what is this, and I want you to write to me here what's the meaning of each line as comment, as part of the job. So we give you the code, but you need to understand it and tell us what's the meaning of it. So when you click on this one, it's saved. Now if I go to see the file, that file, if I open it, it is saved here. Saved like that. It is called tab delimited. See there is tab in this tab. Okay. Now we want to get it back. How to get it back? So this program the save this one. Now to get it back, we want to go to manipulate, double click. This is the manipulate. And the manipulate, we use open file dialog in this case. You see that save dialog, here open dialog. So we need open dialog to be added to where? To the main file. Here. See here. Open dialog here. So will help you to open save dialog. So whatever you need, you can add it here. And here it's only save dialog because it's saved here. And here open dialog works. Save. Maybe when you save here. Yeah. Menu. We have the menu. Save. I think we save is used here. Maybe previous version I used to save here. But we need the open dialog because to open the dialog. Okay, so open the dialog here. Open dialog. Similarly, show the dialog and then here read file. Again, you have to explain to me what's going on. Okay. So this will, it should get all the information and put them where? Put them in the manipulation file. That's all. Get from the file and put it there. Let me run it now and show you how this happened. Now, the one we saved, we go to here and manipulate. It should ask me where the file, if I say this is my file, then it open it and put it. I can add more here. I can add more. And save. So manipulate is open it, add to it or change it, and then save. I'm going to save it in the same place. Okay. So next time should be closed. Yeah, make it closed. When it's done, save, closed, and then it's not closed here. I want to make it closed. Yeah. Then when you save it, and whenever you save, it's closed. Okay, now if I open it again, then get that one. I get this, which is includes. Now, if I want to open the other one, this is the one I'm going to open. So this is the information you want to save. I wanted to collect information about the restaurant. So this restaurant, Asmahan, Rosalie Cafe, Sambok. I just found them over. I don't know, I think these of them, but just it's like one of the tops. Image, you get any image about Asmahan. Any image here is JPEG or PNG or whatever. Here the cuisine, which is the what was the type of it. Yeah. This is Lebanese seafood and 4.5 star. This is a French cafe, 4.4 star. This seafood international, 4.3 star, which is the cuisine here. The description, whatever about it, what is it? Famous for fish and other seafood. Beautiful. Maybe you can get some of the comments from the reviewer or anything here. Description, describe it. It's there. And then here, the map. How to get the map? You go to Google map and search for it and copy the link to it. Okay, this is sort of there on the link. Then that's it. You have it here. Next step is to display it. We go to the map. Sorry, not to the map. We go to the open here. Open. And then you open the restaurant here. It makes sense. Otherwise, data has nothing. Information fragmented. Click here, and that will display to me the name of the restaurant. I'm going to explain to the next now. If you click on Asmahan, you will get the picture. So you know the picture, we have it there. Okay. And this is the question here. This is the description about it. This is the name. You go to the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one. So that's what we need to do. Okay. Now it's 15 minutes the video. I think I can add 5 more minutes. Okay. So let us do this open. In the open now, let me go back to the name application because I want to program that. There is something here I want to do know about it, which is, you know, this picture. Behind it, I put something here. So we can have 2 pieces, one above the other. Let me take this down. Okay, you see here? You see here? So we have here combo box. Combo box is it's called here Seagull Restaurant. Combo box. Where I am going to pick up from the file all the names of the restaurants and here. Then we have here a panel to put the pieces together. So the panel is just an area, square area. You put things inside and then you can hide this panel. Instead of you go to each piece and you hide or whatever, you go to this one, you can hide it or something. Now, why it does not appear when we start the application? Appear the picture, not appear this. Because if you go to this panel, called panel 1, you go down here, down, see visible, false, means not shown. So I don't go to the picture here, this is picture box for to put the picture of the restaurant. And this is label, this is another label, could be something here, the label and the label here, the text, this is another label. You put the description here. I think here we can append this to make it longer. This label. See this label, small one? So whatever information you put in this label. The second label is in here. Let's go. This label called label 2. We'll see how it will work. And here is label review. Label review. Okay. This is label whatever it's reading because I'm not going to refer to it. It's a label 2. So you can go here to see what we have. all these, all the controls are here. The label 1, label 2, label cousin. This now, you see? I cannot see it here. It's label cousin. So we can put the data in here. This is picture box. And this is combo box and so on. And the combo box as well is the visibility of it is false. So both of them false, while the, you see, I cannot see the picture now. Where is the picture? Let's go to picture box. Picture box here, picture box. Picture box restaurant, picture box Saudi. This one, that's the one. Drag it here, cover. So we play with this, like you make one of them false, one of them true. Just yeah. So at the moment this is true. See, the visibility is true. Visibility is true. While the visibility of the others are false. Okay, now let us go to open. And the open here, what's happening? First of all, when you open it, the panel is false, visibility false. Okay. False at the moment, the panel. Okay. We don't want the panel to be appear. Okay. We want only the combo box to appear. So here, open, get name, read the text here. Read the text we get from the open dialog. File tab, get the text, and get the line. Here, okay. I want to understand here, but I can say this is array. There are several arrays here. Okay, use this, why we have split /t. Use the combo box. You add the first column. This column will collect all the arrays of all the values in each line. So this line, take array of 0, add it to the combo box. This is image, person, description, each one of array. Where is the array? Should be exist somewhere. You see? Yeah, I put 20, maybe enough. You can put something like that. So after you finish this, you close this, and then you see the picture Saudi, make it false. That's the picture at the top. Make it false. And the restaurant combo true, and the panel is false. Then you put here select value. Select the value now. Where is that? It should be in the, if I double click on this one, this will take me to this. Panel visit together. I think this is part of the phase 3. Talk about it in phase 3. This is the information. And with this one, we finished the hint about, in fact, everything about phase 2, but I wanted to put comments. So I wanted to understand it. Yani you have the code, you want to put the pieces together and understand what's going on. That's the main purpose of it. Thank you. Good luck.